Welcome to our quick guide on how to repost someone's story on Instagram. Whether you're sharing the love or spreading the word, reposting stories is a fantastic way to interact with your community. Let's dive in. Instagram stories have become a powerful tool for expression and connection. Today, I'm going to show you how to repost a story you're tagged in, as well as how to share stories you aren't tagged in, all while respecting privacy and copyright laws. If someone tags you in their story, reposting it is a breeze. Simply tap on the notification you receive, which takes you directly to their story. There, you'll see the option to add this to your story. Tap it, customize as you wish with text, stickers, or drawings, and then hit your story to share. For stories you're not tagged in, the process requires a few extra steps. You can use a third-party app designed for reposting Instagram stories. Remember, always get permission from the original poster before sharing their content. A quick reminder on etiquette: always ask for permission when reposting someone's content. It's not just polite, it respects the creator's rights and fosters a positive community atmosphere. And that's it. You're now ready to repost stories on Instagram like a pro. Remember, sharing is caring, but always with respect and permission. Happy posting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss our tutorials. Have questions or want more tips on Instagram? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.